What's up, guys? This is my first video. What I'm doing is I'm trying to install a stereo system to my 2006 Ford Mustang. I got some zero gauge here. I've already soldered my copper terminal. This is zero oxygen copper, very high quality stuff. Colossus Flex cable by newconcepts.com. Okay, good stuff. You're not paying an arm and a leg for it, but it's still high quality stuff. Now, the 2006 Ford Mustang, what I was trying to do was find a grommet that I could go through in the firewall so I didn't have to drill a hole. I found one. I removed the battery and I removed the plate that sits right here. Okay, and in doing so, you can see I have my my socket wrench right here, and it's pointing where I pulled out the grommet. The grommet that I pulled out is underneath the cowl drain, and so it's hard to see because there's no light, but anyways, you'll find it. Just look for that rubber grommet, and then it's gonna come out. It's gonna come out right there. Okay, right in the middle, right there. So I have my trusty fiance here. She's gonna be holding the camera for me. I'm gonna get a flashlight. I'll be right back. Okay, so this is always a good little investment right here. Little headlamp. When you get in those dark spots, just turn it on. Okay, so if you could please point it like what my hands are doing. So I just, here, let me turn the light on. Okay, so what I did is I have a couple extensions on this socket wrench, and it's pushing on the insulation. Follow me over here. I got my little X-Acto knife right here. These are awesome, perfect, because I was able to see the grommet right here. I was able to cut a perfect little hole, and I cut it kind of smaller than what the cable is, so it would be real tight around it. Okay, coming over here, I'll take the camera now. Alright, so I don't know if you guys could see where it is protrudes, but it's pushing out right here. I could totally feel that. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna cut it right here. Protruding right there. Bam. There it is. So since that's already there, what I'm going to do is I'm going to use that as a leader. I'll leave it in there. Go ahead. So that's going to be my leader. I'm going to leave that in there. I'm going to tie some tape to my to my wire here. So I'm going to keep taking the grommet all the way to the end here. That's why I went too far. I'm going to go get some tape. I'm going to get some tape, and I'm going to tie off my leader to the end of this, and we'll just pull it on through. Hit pause, please. All right, we're back in action. I got some tape, and like I said, I'm going to use these socket wrench extensions as my leader. I didn't intend to do that, but it just kind of happened, and hopefully it works. Okay. Alright, here it goes. Here goes nothing. Let me take that. Yeah, good thing I have that. Good thing I taped the leader, because it's really not wanting to do much. Oh, there it is. There she is. Oh my God, Houston. We have the stereo cable. And amplifier. This is gonna be awesome, guys. Alright, and that's how you run your 0 gauge through the firewall of your 2006 Ford Mustang. Sometimes you just, got to be a little ingenuity here. Use whatever you got, okay? Thank you to my trusty assistant. And my first video. Let's see. If you guys like it, give me a thumbs up. If you want to see more, let me see you subscribe, and we'll do more. Because I'm going to be installing a huge system. Let me give you guys a preview of what I'm installing. And this is it. We got the 12-inch Rossford Fosgate HX2s. This is an old school system. This is just for practice. We got three Zeus 600s, one 440 over there. We got the Pioneer in-dash DVD player. We got bass knobs. We got some more wires over there. I mean, it's project. We got capacitors. We got MB cords, components, mids and highs, the tweeters. So got some crossovers here. That's another stereo I'm not going to use. But yeah, this is just a little cheese. And if I get some views, some likes, maybe some subscribers, I'll record the rest of it and how to install a stereo system into a 2006. Well, it's actually 2005 through 2009. I still have this on 2005 to 2009 Ford Mustang. They should all be the same. Alright guys, with that, I'll let you guys go.